Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the vlog.
Hi.
So today is a last minute camping thing that we decided to do out here in Rome, Georgia. We're actually about 5 minutes from the Chattahoochee. Why do I always have what? We're about 5 minutes from the Chattahoochee National Forest.
Like 5 seconds. We're right next to the National Forest land.
Really?
We're actually here on U.S. Forestry Service land. This is Johns Creek. This is a trout pool that's man-made where the trout can collect up here. And just on the other side of this hill is a tent site. That's where we're going to be camping tonight.
So let's go see it. So we got the campsite set up.
Just a tent.
Yeah.
That's all we got, but
we're gonna do our fire. Yeah, because normally we do more backpacking stuff, so we're actually hiking out, and you don't have a tent pad and all that stuff.
Very last minute. We left the house like 15 minutes ago.
Yeah, so we're out here, and we're gonna
enjoy nature. Really.
Yeah, we have a little special surprise later that I brought, so we'll see about that. I'm gonna get a fire started, and then we're just gonna chill for a little bit.
Heck yeah.
That bark really was helping. You can see so much smoke coming off of it because it's wet wood. Well, while that's cooking up, we're gonna go ahead and start. We got popcorn.
Heck yeah, I'm excited for that one.
Me too. All the smoke. Hopefully you guys can still see me. So, you literally have to open this up. Until you get down here to the chunk of it. And you put it into a kettle.
How confident are you on this working?
Compared to the video that I watched last night on YouTube, definitely very.
Okay, well that's good. Crossing my fingers. I want some popcorn.
Yeah, me too.
We actually already ate dinner before we left the house. We had pizza.
Yeah.
So like, we don't have to eat. But like, come on, you can't beat popcorn, my guy.
Especially kettle cooked.
Right?
And I also brought kettle corn just in case he liked sweeter. I didn't really know.
I don't like sweet popcorn. So.
Oh, well, perfect.
There you go.
Okay, so now all we're gonna do is take this buttery, popcorny goodness here. Literally just scrape it straight down into there. I want to have the best chance of getting it all in there as possible. Hey, is paper flammable?
No, it's wax paper.
Oh. Okay. I'm literally just. Okay, hold on. Oh, our fire's up here.
Oh yeah, our fire started. Heck yeah, bro. Ooh. All right, if you don't have any gas to burn, I suggest you put that puppy on the fire. I don't know how much of this we're gonna have. This is wet wood. All right, now I'm gonna have a stove or nothing to set it on, so there you go.
Now we wait.
Yep.
So we're just gonna chill until we start hearing popping.
I'm sitting in the mud.
Get up under there and blow some more. Because you know how I am about blowing.
I hear it sizzling.
Woo. Get in close so you can hear it.
It's all leaning over to that one side. There might not be any pressure because it's a kettle with a hole in it.
You don't think it'll still pop though?
I mean, I heard a little bit of something, but I think our popcorn's going to be black.
Hopefully not.
It's definitely got enough
Definitely
heat.
going. Whoa. Ah, I just ripped my eyebrows off.
I definitely hear it sizzling, but I hear no poppage.
Not yet.
How long does this take?
I don't know.
Normally it's only a couple seconds in the microwave.
Oh.
I hear popping.
Oh, we got popping going. Oh no.
Oh, it's very ready.
Ah, it's in my eyes.
I do hear popping. Oh, I saw it pop in there. Let's see if I can get a closer look at that. I do see it popping. Ooh.
She's definitely going at it now.
I do see the popcorn in there as it's popping. That's kind of sick looking.
Oh, dude, it smells so freaking good.
Bro. How do we know when to stop?
Oh,
Ah! Bad idea. He's eating it straight off the ground.
I like movie theater popcorn too. Okay, from now on when we go hiking, I'm bringing popcorn.
It's just going now.
This is the coolest thing ever. That smells so good.
Although I'm pretty sure we're burning the very bottom. Shake it around a little bit. And then, yeah, now put it back on the fire. And you think we're good?
No, there was still a bunch left.
Move it over on top of that flame right there. Yeah, like that. All right, I think we're good. Let's go ahead and take that off. Put some big lumber on top of that flame.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold on, let me get a look at that.
Ow, hot.
Oh, dude, that actually looks really good. Yeah, let's get some big wood on that fire before we lose all that heat. Heck yeah, boy, I'm excited for all this stuff. Oh, bro. Oh, that actually smells really good, too.
So good.
The smell just now hit me when I opened that up. I know you already had a couple of bites off the ground, but you ready to take your inaugural bite? Let's do this.
Oh.
All right. Ooh. Yeah, it's still hot. You want to give me a piece? Oh, bro.
That's perfect. Well, it's a little hard.
Yeah.
But like, to be cooked in a kettle, I mean, look how, and I feel like we still have more on the bottom.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
If we had a bigger kettle.
I'm just afraid I'm going to burn myself on the kettle.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's some burning right there where the corners were on the bottom. Still not bad, though. Can't beat that at all.
I honestly didn't know if it was going to work.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you said you watched that video.
I did, but like, YouTube magic?
Oh, shoot. Heat plus butter plus popcorn kernels equals?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Heck yeah, bro.
That's awesome.
It really is.
Alright, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
I'm alone now.
I'm here. That is so good, dude.
Even the burnt parts actually taste better than like burnt microwave.
Alright guys, we got our popcorn ate, or pretty much ate, y'all saw that. But all that popcorn made me kind of thirsty, so we're gonna run and get some water in our Sawyer squeeze. I'm gonna drink it straight from the bag. Well, from the filter in the bag. I'll see you guys down at the water.